That's my 3D. And yeah. See, doesn't fucking do it. Why? Supposed to be 3D. I hate this. I'm fucking saving. I don't know why. Yeah, for some weird reason. Oh, wait, I saw that. I saw the button. There we go. Yeah, there we go. There's the button I was looking for. Yeah, might wait a minute. There we go, yeah. Maybe, I don't know about the preview. I mean, I like having the preview, but... I may have to just do this because... Yeah. Finally got car back.
In America, and award-winning Owen-scoring Platinum Preferred Contractor. Right now, for a very limited time, when you bundle solar plus a new roof, the average customer saves almost $6,000. When you bundle solar plus a Tesla Powerwall 3 and a new roof, you can save an average of over $15,000. Get 2 Tesla Powerwalls, solar, and a new roof, and you can save over $18,000. Go solar plus batteries and get a new roof from Semper Solaris. Call now, 415-354-2969, or visit SemperSolaris.com. Savings or amateurs and will vary based on bundles and system sizes. New customers only. Some restrictions apply. Call or see website for details. Offer expires 4/30/24. CSW number 978152.
This is Chris Dolan.
And I'm Vanessa Dennison, senior attorney from the Dolan Law Firm. Chris, what's with all these out-of-town personal injury firms coming into the Bay Area with these catchy jingles and funny names?
Unlike the Dolan Law Firm, most of these firms are from out of state or in LA.
The Dolan Law Firm is headquartered right here in San Francisco, going on 30 years.
Yeah, they say that for
We live here, we work here, we win here. The Dolan Law Firm, we're the best lawyers we hope you'll never need. DolanLawFirm.com.
Yeah, it's okay.
The Armstrong and Getty Show.
Live from CBS 4, this is your news now.
So what was that? That was Sunday night. Now, this is mostly an East Coast thing. Billy Joel was doing his 100th sold-out Madison Square Garden concert, which is a record. And I understand from listening to various people who have gone that it is quite the event. It's packed every single night. He sings all the songs everybody knows. Everybody sings along, has a great time. Anyway, CBS actually decided to air live the 100th concert, and then he gets to his biggest hit that people like to sing along to the most, and everybody's watching on TV, and because of the Masters or something, I don't know, he delayed the concert or whatever. Anyway, right getting to the hot part of the song, they cut it off and go to local news. And a lot of people were outraged in the way people get outraged about things that don't really matter, and now CBS has announced they're going to rerun the whole thing on Friday night.
There you go. And everybody's happy.
If you're sitting at the bar and putting bread in his jar, here's what it would have sounded like if you heard the whole thing, a little bit of it. And maybe more popular than he's ever been. Can't imagine what it feels like to have a packed Madison Square Garden, the most famous arena on earth, singing your words back to you that you wrote 50 years ago. with that much enthusiasm. That's gotta be. How do you keep your ego in check? Or not think I am pretty damn wonderful. That's one thing I know from this experience. I am wonderful.
Well, don't ask Billy Joel how to keep your ego in check. He might have figured it out by now, but
you had to be a big shot, didn't you? Nice job, CBS. So that part that everybody was watching for, you kind of, now in local news, potholes got filled in Jones Street.
right, yeah.
So, Joe said in the little thing during the commercial break that, what did you say about the...
Oh, yeah, I was swiping emails, and I'm like, no, I'm not reviewing the hotel I just stayed in. Somebody else can. It was fine. The floor creaked a little. Who cares? I don't have time for that.
All right, and I never do either. How was your experience at the Wichita Sheraton? I don't ever, but the people that do then mislead us all when we want to stay somewhere, because everything, always, because I was doing this yesterday, looking at a little family vacation, trying to figure out some place to stay, and they're either 5 stars, greatest place I ever stayed, but the maids came in and give me foot massages in the morning and put fresh strawberries on my pillow, or it's, there are rats in my food, and a guy broke in and attacked me in the night, and so it's either 5 stars or 0 stars for every place you ever stay.
Right, I was going to call it the 5-star, 1-star phenomenon. Yeah. And then it averages out to a 4.3. Like every product in the hotel on Earth averages out to a 4.3 because you got 80% 5 stars, then one guy who tripped on a doorway, cracked his head open, and he'll never be the same. He gives it 1 star. I wish I could give it 0 stars.
Restaurants the same way, literally back to back. Best meal of my life. We'll be back soon. And worst restaurant I've ever eaten at. Ask for my money back. What am I supposed to do as a consumer with that information?
Yeah.
And people are so much more likely to fill those out if you had a negative experience. If I have a really bad experience, I will take the time to fill it. But if it was perfectly okay and worth what I paid for it, probably not.
Yeah, getting back to the idea that every American should be forced, this is probably not entirely constitutional, to work 3 months in retail, then 3 months in food service. Everybody would calm the heck down a little bit. It's not as easy. It's harder than it looks.
You don't bowl of 300 every time. Definitely.
Armstrong and Getty.
Hey, folks. Donald Trump Jr. here. Let me ask you this.